What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency update video, guys. So first of all, guys, a following from my last Theta video, guys, I'm going to just play you a quick little clip of what I said and how I done my analysis the previous week. So just have a quick listen to what happened in the previous video all the way up to the next fib extension, which is roughly 16% at 20 cents. And again, it would not surprise me if we did get another run up and we broke through that and we hit the 25 cents. So there you go, guys. I'm going to just quickly go over to the Theta chart, guys. And as you can see, guys, we was roughly about down to this level at the 17 cents. And I said we could have another push up to the 20 cent. We got that. Another push up to 25 cents, and we got that. And eventually we topped out at roughly 33 cents, guys. And best believe this whole move was tracked on my free Telegram page, guys. So if you don't already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys. This was an absolutely amazing trade, guys. In my Telegram, we caught this move round about this level at 8.6 cents, guys. So we had a total profit from this trade. If I get this from 8.6 here, round up to the top here, we had a return of almost 282%. But in this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about a similar kind of scenario that could be playing out. Obviously, we have Neo. We have talking about the roadmap of Neo 3.0, and as expected, they are about to release Neo 3.0 in Q2 2020. So we're looking about possibly up to the end of June to see the release of the much anticipated roadmap to 3.0. So I'm going to do a technical analysis on Neo, where I can see price going. I'm also going to be covering also BTC and what I can see happening. Some very interesting price action that's currently going on. But before I jump in this video, once again, guys, if you like this video, guys, and want more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Once again, we call a huge trade from the previous analysis video that we've done on Theta, guys. So subscribe, guys. And if you want to keep up to date with all the live analysis and trades, the only way to get it is on my free Telegram, guys. So first of all, I'm going to jump into a bit of fundamental with Neo. So with Neo, they've been very active, guys. They're a very active team. They're known as the Chinese Ethereum. They adhere to all the Chinese regulations, guys. So if a crypto was ever going to thrive or succeed in China, the candidate, in my opinion, is Neo. Second after that is Ontology, and they are very linked, very closely together, guys. And I just want to show you guys that we've had Neo 2.0, and then we've had Neo 3.0, guys, and they've been following this roadmap. The team has been very active in updating the project and what's going on. And supposedly it was supposed to be a lot sooner, the 3.0 to be completed, but then we found out it got pushed back to Q2 2020, which we're talking about up to the end of June, where we could potentially see mainnet 3.0 launch. And similar to what we had Theta, guys, like I mentioned in the Theta video, guys, we had the anticipated of mainnet 2.0, guys, and we had an absolutely huge run up in price. And it would not surprise me, Neo being a bigger, more well-known project, that we could finally see a bigger move happening here, guys. But like I said, nothing is guaranteed in crypto. This date is subject to change, guys. It can become up to Neo, but we can push it back. But it's planned for launch in Q2 2020. Neo for his optimized version of the current 2.0. And I'm pretty sure last time it happened, we had another huge run up in price. I'm going to do a quick technical analysis. I'm going to do a quick intraday, and also going to do a longer term trade technical analysis on what I potentially could be seeing on happening price. But once again, if you want to keep up to date with my analysis, my falls, etc., the only place to get it is on my free Telegram. Link is in the description. So I'm going to go over to the 4 hour first of all, guys, and kind of show what I said here and what I alerted to the members on the Telegram, guys. We saw a push up in price. I mean, this pump was that we hit was mainly due to Binance releasing a feature that allows you to gain daily interest from staking your NEO on the platform. So this created a huge pump out here. And then we had Bitcoin crash, guys, after the halving event, so this dropped price. But what's interesting on, if I drop down to the 3-day time frame, I just want to get the EMA 50 on the 3-day chart. So what I was looking at here, what I alerted the members in the Telegram, guys, as long as price finds support above the 50 EMA on the 3-day chart, guys, I'll be accumulating at these levels. And so far, as you can see, guys, this has been a great indicator of where we can potentially see upside. Because when we found support, we had a quick up to the upside. Again, we had support and then a quick push to the upside. Again, we found support, guys, a quick push to the upside. And once again, we found multiple times that price is finding support on this dynamic support. So going back to the 4 hour. So we found support within this region here. So it's roughly at $9.30 again. So this support was very important to hold. So in my opinion, to see any sustained uptick in price, guys, this support here will have to hold. In my opinion, that is very valid. And I alerted my support because we came down here and we had this bullish engulfing candle. So this was showing me potentially that we could be seeing more upside. And upon the confirmation of this 4 hour candle closing above here, this kind of would have another push to retest these two previous resistance here, where we've had this double top here before price absolutely melted down. So my next upside target on the short term, guys, will need a break above $10.45, a clean candle break above 4 hour candle closure above this region. This will give us a push to these other two upside targets of roughly $11.50 and $11, guys. One $11 being a psychological level, a round number, and the $11.50 being where we had all these previous rejection wicks within this region. But longer term, guys, I want to show you what potentially can be happening on NEO. So on this, I'm going to take it again back to the 3-day chart, so we can zoom in. Like I said, guys, when you do your technical analysis, guys, it's very important to kind of zoom out and see the longer term trend that is going on. Because if you're just looking at the 1 hour, 4 hour, that might be looking incredibly bullish. But if you look at the longer term, it can be looking quite bearish. For example, on NEO. So if I just clean up this chart briefly, you can kind of see what I'm currently looking at. So again, so we've had price forming in these lower highs for the past few years now, since 2018 we had this peak here. So we've had one rejection here, two rejections here, three rejections here, guys. So this pattern here, this lower high trajectory, is looking very, very accurate to me. And with the mainnet 3.0 due to launch in June, it would not surprise me if price currently is being accumulated at this level to have another push to this level, guys, of roughly $15, guys. But what I'm looking for, a bullish breakout. You already know, guys, it will be a clean breakout of this region, guys, and then we can be looking about retesting these levels of $25. So a breakout of this lower high trajectory of this counter trend line, guys, if you like, guys, it will send us surging to $25. But however, for now, my upside target, guys, especially if we do hold above this 3-day 50 EMA, guys, would be the target of $50. Again, it looks like the most obvious target of where we can be finding some resistance. However, break through this, guys, if we do have that long awaited alt season that people have been waiting for, the upside target out of a breakout of this counter trend line will be $25. But for the short time, my target is $15 at this level. Like I've been updating my move, I've been accumulating since down these levels. Even if price pumped here. I didn't get too excited. Price came back down, and I'm currently reaccumulating at this level to get that other push up to that counter trend line. And I believe the news of the 3.0, I'm expecting probably more news, partnership, bullish news, etc. Wouldn't be surprised even if we saw a Coinbase listing, guys, to push this up to this level. So so that brings me up to, so all this is always subject to what Bitcoin does. So zooming into the Bitcoin chart, guys. So when I gave my analysis this morning, price was round about hovering at this previous, so the previous resistance at $9,000 became old resistance, became new support. So it's kind of hovering at this level, and a lot of people were kind of bearish at this time. They were expecting for price to move down to the 8,400 because that was the most obvious reason, guys. But I updated people in my Telegram. If I can find the analysis here, let me just find it quickly. Sorry, that was on my VIP Telegram when I gave that update. I'll share it on my public Telegram. So what I said to the members, guys, a lot of people were expecting for price to start coming down, but I believe that was too obvious. That was thinking too much like a general trader, like a retail trader, to start shorting. The shorts were loading up, so it made it too obvious that we're going to get that push up to liquidate obviously people shorting late in this market, guys. And I was kind of, as you can see with the arrows, I was expecting a push up where we could be potentially finding some resistance. So old support becomes new resistance, and obviously I took this fib extension from the swing high here of 9,000, around about 9,600, back down to where we found support at 8,800 here, guys, and it gave us the 618 round about of previous resistance becoming previous support becoming new resistance at the 618. And then if price gets rejected at this level, guys, if we fail to close on the daily above this level, guys, we can quickly see price start reversing down. And however, if we do break under this 88, around about $8,900 level, guys, then yes, we have a candle closure below this level, and then we could be visiting obviously the previous area where we found loads of liquidity around about the 8,400 level. So that's what I can see happening with BTC. A test up 618, wouldn't surprise if we get a spike up to the 786, and then we start rolling down. However, if we do climb above this level and it turns into a new support, then we can see again $10,000 to get tested, or any of these high levels get tested once again. So hope you enjoyed this brief quick little video, guys. I wanted to give an update with Neo. Again, this is a potential swing trade, guys. This is not financial advice. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose in this crypto game, guys. It's very, very dangerous. But if you want to keep up to date with my news and analysis, etc., get all the crypto news, go follow me on my free Telegram, guys. Subscribe, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me guys know what you think, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto Chris over and out.